In the age we live in, you should simply not mess with the health concerns that come with traditional frying. You deserve better, and air fryers deliver that. Your meals will be healthy and remain delicious, and it won't cost much. Now, what makes the best air fryers stand out are rapid cooking times combined with adjustable temperature controls and multifunctionality. This means you can roast, bake, grill, whatever you want, all in one device. Also, make sure to use our links because they will lead you to the latest discounts for every model we discuss. Let's dive in now. Number 6. Typhur Dome AF03, Best Premium Air Fryer Overall. We'll get things going with the Typhur Dome AF03, the premium option right out of the gate. This thing looks and feels fantastic right out of the box. It cooks 30% faster than typical models, so you can whip up 32 crispy chicken wings in just 14 minutes. Or perhaps even better, fry 10 slices of bacon in 10. The Dome AF03 is known for its whisper quiet operation too, sticking to just 55 dB. This is quieter than a normal conversation, a huge relief if you've ever tried to chat in a kitchen. It also has an innovative self-cleaning mode that you can activate via the app. This thing tackles grease and stains in just 2 hours, a little something you just won't find in budget models. The design includes 10 preset cooking modes, and that app we just mentioned lets you monitor and tweak settings from your phone, complete with over 50 recipes to explore. We just have to say that this smart integration takes convenience to a whole new level. And let's not forget the non-stick ceramic basket. Even easier cleanup and healthier cooking without the toxic coatings. A premium performance and a big thumbs up from here. Number 5. Instant Vortex Plus XL, Best Value Air Fryer. Okay, let's dive into the top value domain now with the Instant Vortex Plus XL. We are looking at 6-in-1 functionality on a fair budget. This gadget can air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and yes, dehydrate. With this thing, it's easy to switch from crispy wings to homemade cinnamon buns without needing multiple appliances that just clutter your kitchen. Amazing considering the price tag. Fast preheating is also fantastic. The Instant Vortex Plus heats up really quickly, going from frozen to golden in minutes. But what really sets this air fryer apart is the even crisp tech. This little thing ensures superior air circulation so that you get that perfect crispy finish every single time. This is often reserved for higher-end models and one of the main reasons behind the top value title here. Now, not only does this Instant Vortex model deliver that same ideal crunch with 95% less oil than your traditional deep frying, it also works smarter and uses less energy. Also included in the mix are one-touch smart programs, kind of like having a seasoned chef by your side, helping you whip up everything from garlicky potatoes to cookies. Good stuff. Number 4. Breville Smart Oven, Best Air Fryer Oven. If your idea of an air fryer is an air frying oven, meet this thing from Breville. It's an all-in-one kitchen dynamo. The Smart Oven combines 11 cooking functions, ranging from air frying to slow cooking. The amount of seamless switching from different kitchen activities is off the chart here. The magic behind the versatility of this bad boy lies in the Element IQ system and super convection technology. Now, in plain terms, the Element IQ is a feature that intelligently adjusts the heat. Even simpler, it makes sure your food is cooked perfectly every time, without you having to worry about anything. This isn't just tech talk. It's the difference between evenly toasted bread and the usual half-burnt, half-raw slices you get with standard ovens. Then, the super convection feature is a tech that speeds up cooking by up to 30%. So if you're in a rush, this thing has your back. We should also mention the dedicated air fry setting for those who crave the crunch of fried foods without the guilt. Unlike many budget models that struggle to achieve that golden crisp, the Breville excels with higher temperatures and optimized airflow. Number 3, Cuisinart AIR-200, Most Durable Air Fryer. In case durability is your top priority, check out the Cuisinart AIR-200. This thing has a stainless steel construction, and this is not just for show. The air fryer is truly built to last. You'll 100% appreciate how sturdy it feels compared to the flimsier plastic models out there. Plus, it has dishwasher-safe parts, so cleanup is a breeze. Daily use is easy with no hassle, and this thing will last for a while. The wide temperature range is something we should cover here. Powered by a solid 1800 watts, the AIR-200 heats up fast and goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, with precise control over how crispy or browned you want your favorite food. This thing doesn't skimp on versatility either. We are looking at a set of 5 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, broil, and the classic keep warm function. Also included in the mix are 5 easy-to-navigate presets on the digital display on the front side. With just a few button presses, you're going to be good to go. And yes, if you're not ready to eat it right away, there's a thing called an automatic warmer to keep your food hot for up to an hour. Number 2, Ninja DZ071 Foodie, best air fryer for families. A lot of people see air fryers as these compact things for solo young people living in studio apartments. Well, that's not it, guys. The essence of these devices is healthier food, and yes, they can be family-sized, like the DZ071 model from Ninja. We're looking at a 7-quart model here, well suited for family meals and gatherings. In more specific terms, you can prepare up to 2 pounds of air-fried goodness in each of the 2 3.5-quart baskets. Or go all in with a 4-pound pork roast and veggies in the 7-quart mega zone. And yes, the size and capacity is a step above what typical air fryers offer. That 7-quart mega zone we just offered is amazing because it lets you cook bigger proteins or meals all at once. And you're not just limited to air frying either, as that 6-in-1 versatility allows you to broil, bake, roast, reheat, dehydrate, you name it. This effectively replaces several kitchen appliances. Also included in the package is the dual zone technology, so you never have to juggle cooking times again. The essence of this feature is being able to prepare 2 different foods in 2 different ways at the same time. There is the Smart Finish feature too, so you can sync the finish times for both zones. And the Flex Basket is straight up genius, cooking in separate baskets or combining them for full capacity. Very convenient. Number 1, Cosori 9-in-1, best air fryer overall. Let's get very serious now and highlight this 9-in-1 beast from Kasori, the clear winner for today. This thing checks all the boxes. Really, all of them. It's versatile, durable, makes delicious food with no oil, and yes, affordable. Let's start with that 9-in-1 functionality. This little thing doesn't just air fry. No, it also roasts, bakes, broils, you name it, it probably does it. A mini kitchen in one for this size and price is exceptional. You can ditch your oven, your microwave, your dehydrator. That's a lot of space saved and a lot of money too. We should mention the Turbo Blaze technology here. This feature is made for those busy evenings when you're racing against time. It heats up your food super quickly. We're talking about whipping up whole meals in a matter of minutes, way above the industry average. The 6-quart capacity is on the extra large side, excellent for families. And no matter the roomy interior, this device is compact enough to fit on your countertop without taking over. And considering the devices it replaces, you are truly getting a lot. Now let's talk results, plain and simple. Okay, the 5-fan speed airflow system of this Cosori model makes the food crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Every time, just like a top-tier air fryer should. Unlike cheaper models that might deliver uneven cooking, this air fryer delivers consistent results, always. Oh, and we want to mention the customizable preheat program, a thoughtful touch. You can choose to preheat based on what you're cooking, or just skip it altogether. Good stuff, and a thumbs up from here. Well, that would be it for this one, folks. Just tell us a little something in the comments. Are you looking for a large air fryer that can handle the whole family, or more of a space-saving solution? Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and have a good one.